Hey everybody, welcome back to a cold 36-ish degree Montana garage. It's been a minute since I've been out here, or at least since I've made a video. I've done a little bit of stuff out in the shop over the last few weeks. I've done a little bit of filming. I just haven't had a chance to make any content. I actually had a couple of you guys check on me, so I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm alive and well. I did get sick recently, so for about a week I was kind of out of commission a little bit. Nothing real bad, but I survived that stuff, and we are back, and we're still making videos, and we're still working on cars, and we're hoping you're going to watch some of that stuff. I have some big plans to announce right now. You probably already know what it is because you saw the thumbnail to get you to this video, but I've decided to try and go to Rocky Mountain Race Week with the 55 Chevy. The last video you guys saw, I was just putting the front suspension on, so I'm going to give you here. I'm going to give you a quick peek at where I'm at right now. I'm not much further along, but I got a couple videos to get caught up on, so I have some footage of some stuff that I've done that I haven't put out yet. But I want to get this video about trying to get into Rocky Mountain Race Week out, and then we'll get caught up with a couple videos to where we're at now, and then we'll move forward trying to get this car ready on a deadline. So quick sneak peek at where we're at right now. Much the same, but there's an orange bullet sitting between the frame rails there. So I got the engine in. So there's still plenty to do. If I had a list right now that said what I need to get done before Rocky Mountain Race Week, it would pretty much just say everything, and we would go from there. But before we go any further, let's rewind to yesterday, and let's see how registration went. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Montana Garage. As you can see, if you've watched the channel before, or if I guess anybody with a brain can see, we're not in the Montana Garage right now. We're in a random Montana hotel room. And that's not because I get kicked out of the house for wasting money on car stuff by the wife, but I have been wasting money on car stuff, but the wife still supports it. So we just had to travel this weekend for hockey. So I'm in hotel room. The family just left to head to the hockey rink to get ready for the game. I stayed here behind. I still had an hour to get to the rink, but I stayed behind because I am going to try to register for Rocky Mountain Race Week. Registration kicks off in 3 minutes. I've heard it sells out like right away, so I'm here. I got my credit card ready. I got the website pulled up. I keep refreshing it and clicking join already just to see if you can get in early, but nothing's happening so far. But that's what I'm doing. Wish me luck, and I hope we get in. All right, according to my little clock, we got 2 minutes left. Try again just to be sure. Can't get in. Still has last year's information, so I'm hoping just when it switches to 9 o'clock, that's going to change and we're going to be ready to go. All right, 8:59. Just tried it again, still nothing there. Nine o'clock. Now I click it and I get the spinning wheel of death. Is that because 8,000 people just clicked it at the same time? 22 Race Week registration, get tickets. Why won't it let me click on get tickets? All right, there's a get tickets tab, but it won't let me click it. Refresh it. Try it on my phone. Still not letting me click. Races on my phone. Click here to join. Race week registration. Get tickets. It says 29 tickets available, but it's not letting me click get tickets. Oh, come on. Click here to join. Now let me. Now let me. I'm going to enter the stick shift class because I don't know why. Check out now. Your cart is empty. Why is my cart empty? Come on. I accepted the terms, I push checkout now, and it's giving me nothing. Cart is currently empty. Oh, what the heck? Not looking good. So it said there was still like 20 some left when I got in here, which I don't know how many they start with, but that was like right away before it would let me click the button. And now it's giving me I filled everything out. And I did check out now and it said cart empty. I went back and it goes back to this screen. And I'm at the same screen on my phone. Your cart is empty. So, not sure what's happening here. But it's not looking good. And I'm sure they're gone now. Everything's filled out on here. Why is it? Yeah, and now it says sold out. Perfect. So I'm here right at 9 o'clock pushing the magic buttons and you still can't get in. I don't know how their wait list works, if everybody that shows up gets in or what. But that may or may not have sealed the deal on our Rocky Mountain Race Week request to make the Rocky Mountain Race Week. I'll have to send some emails and see how it works as far as getting on the wait list. And there's a button that says wait list and you click that and it just says tickets are no longer available. This event has passed. Alright, so I guess my dreams were just crushed in a span of about 5 minutes, and we'll come up with a different plan of what to do with the car this summer, I guess. Unless we can figure out the wait list and find out if it's one of those deals where if you just make the trip, they're probably gonna let you in, but that's hard too, because it's like 15 hours just to get there. So I have to do all the work to the car, obviously, drive there for 15 hours, and then cross my fingers that they let me participate, so. Maybe it wasn't meant to be this year, and we'll think of something else to do. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. So now it let me click into a wait list, so I'm filling that out. Whatever good that's gonna do. So now I saved it to the cart. 0. It didn't let me do the checkout now thing again. I don't have to pay anything for a wait list, so hopefully that's all it is. Their website isn't the best either, it doesn't. Or I'm not smart enough to figure it out, I guess. Now I'm getting this spinning wheel again. Check out now, this page cannot be found. So I don't even know if I'm on the wait list. I put it in my cart and it wouldn't let me check out. Then I push check out and it says this page can't be found. So I don't know. I do know that I didn't get in on a registration somehow, but I don't know if I'm in the wait list. I guess I am. The wait list page still has the little, this one's not a spinning wheel, it's the like 3 little dots dropping down. That's frustrating. So the plan was obviously to try to get the 55 together in time for June, the end of June race week. I think I have time to do that. I have some things working against me. I mean, it's still hockey season. We got snowmobiling to do. I got a ton of work to do, but I figured if I gave myself a date and I just buckled down, I could make it happen. I started ordering some parts. I'm a little worried about some parts not being here on time, but everything I've looked at so far looks like it can be here on time. So I decided, what the heck, I'm just gonna go for it. And I think my dreams have been crushed. So we'll still follow through with getting the car together hopefully by this summer, but I don't know if I'll have an event to take to. All right, one more update. I've been sitting here trying again and again. I finally did the wait list. I've tried it a couple more times and I finally got to a checkout page on the wait list. So I don't know how their wait list works, but I think I am actually finally on the wait list. Of course, it's 10-15 minutes later than when I first tried to get on the wait list. So I guess that obviously is going to put me even further down. So I'm not sure what the deals are with. I suppose it's just so many people trying to do it at one time that just kind of freezes the site up or something. So kind of unfortunate. I thought I was here and ready and we would be good to go, but we are not good to go. So yeah, not good. Registration did not go good. The computer was a little slow. I was on hotel Wi-Fi. I'm sure a bunch of people were trying to do the same thing I was trying to do at the same time. And the biggest thing that I screwed up on is when I was saying there that it wouldn't let me click the join, or I think it said get tickets. There was a click get tickets button. Well, before I clicked get tickets, I had to select the number of tickets. So in that 30 seconds it took me to figure that out, I think I probably lost my spot. So it was mostly my fault that I didn't get in, I'm sure. And it was a little slow. I mean, like when I got to that point, it said there was still tickets and I took 2 minutes to fill the stuff out. I did get an email back from them and from Rocky Mountain Race Week. I emailed them, you know, there's a contact us button. So I emailed them to check and see if I was on the wait list and stuff. And I did get confirmed that I am on the wait list. And they said that, yeah, what happens when I got to the end and it just said cart empty, that's because it was already sold out before I got to that point. So we are not in for Rocky Mountain Race Week. So that leaves me with the dilemma. What to do now? I mean, like I said, getting ready for that was going to be kind of a stretch, but I was kind of looking forward. I wanted to give myself a stretch. I want to push myself so I could actually, you know, I should be out here getting stuff done anyways, but if I give myself a deadline, that I have some money and some plans on the line, and then I'm going to come out here and I'm going to get it done. That deadline is maybe a little less, you know, solid or a little less of a motivating factor now that I'm not actually in the event. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat it like I am still in the event. I'm on the wait list. And like I said, I don't know if this is like, I've heard like Hot Rod Drag Week that if you just show up, they usually let you in. I don't know if that's the case. And it's like a 15 and a half hour drive to where this thing starts at for me. So I don't know that at the day when it's time to go. Even if the car's ready, if I'm just on a wait list and you come, maybe not. I don't think I would make the trip, but I'm gonna treat this like I'm still going to Rocky Mountain Race Week. And I'm gonna get my butt out here and I'm gonna get this car done. And best case scenario is we get to go on Rocky Mountain Race Week, right? And obviously make some videos. We'll see all the cool cars and hopefully meet some cool people. And worst case scenario, or I guess worst case scenario is I don't get the car done anyways. But maybe not as good as getting done and being able to get in is I just get the car done, and we'll find if I don't get in, we'll just go drag racing around here and we'll cruise the car, and we'll have a car it's not going to be done whether I go to race week or not. It's going to be done. But obviously I would have to get it done good enough to be road and race worthy. So that's my goal. It's not going to be painted and probably have interior and all that stuff. But together, driving, and a car that we can go make some noise and have fun in this summer. Hopefully we can have fun in, Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado. Oklahoma, maybe? Anyways, wherever the race week event is down there. But like I said, we don't get to do that. We're still gonna push. We're still gonna get this car done, and we're gonna make some videos and show you guys how we do it. And we're gonna have some fun here. We'll have some fun in Montana instead, or go on a trip. Or I got a drag strip. I got 2 drag strips. One Anaconda 8th mile. It's an hour and a half to my west, and I got Billings 1/4 mile, hour and a half, 2 hours to my east. So we'll get the car ready to drive and go do some racing there if we don't get to go to race week. So that's my plan. That's my story. I hope you guys will follow along and watch the content. Like, share, subscribe. I would like to grow the channel a little bit. I mean, you guys that watch say you really like the videos. Maybe share it with a friend. If I could get a few more viewers and a few more views, that would start helping with all the cash I got to spend on this stuff. So anyways, I like making the videos. I enjoy the fact that some of you guys enjoy them, and hope maybe we can get some more people to watch them and we can make this grow a little bit. So that's the plan. Like I said earlier, I have a couple videos of getting this engine in here. They'll be coming up shortly, and then we'll get out here and we'll get on with the next steps, which is going to be, I'm trying to get the steering cleaned up and steering mounted, just the steering box, obviously. And then we'll, get the steering linkage and all that stuff figured out. That's kind of the little project I'm working on now, while I have a pretty significant order of parts from Summit coming. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and follow along as we try to make it to maybe Rocky Mountain Race Week, or at least to be driving by then. Thanks again. See you on the next one.